We have a party tonight. It's a national party called São João. We have a dinner with Anna first, and Jivas takes us there. Team leader of OM Portugal. Hi Jivas.
Hello. This guy's gonna have fun tonight.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, São João party.
How was the sail?
I'll be brave more for you guys than never.
Why?
Oh, you guys are brave. That waves was killing me though.
Are you looking forward to the São João party? Yeah.
I do. I want to buy the flower thing, the stinky flower.
Yeah?
Or the hammer, then I hit people on the head.
Can you tell about the hammer first?
Basically, you just walk around, you hit everyone on the head with a hammer.
Bye bye. Weird tradition, but it's fun to just slam people on the head. I asked a few people why they do it, but they don't know. Do you know it? Why do you do
This tradition, I don't know why.
No one knows.
Since I'm born.
Slamming on your head. Okay, I don't do it. Thank you. It's weird, man. We're going home now. Everyone is tired of this weird habit, but I'm still enjoying my hammer. I don't know. Maybe it's the only time in my life that I can just. It's funny, hey.
Man, this morning was really early. 8:15 we were picked up for church already. But after that we slept again a little bit, and now we want to go to surf church and there's no waves, so we are going to jump some cliffs. I don't know what that means, but we'll see.
Good one, eh?
We want to repair our sail and we need a lot of space, so we want to do it here. So we have to ask if we can use the electricity.
it was not from the harbor, but he was
But
very.
he said it was good.
Yes, he was very kind.
Kind of a sad sight to see this.
Do you think we can fix it?
I think we can, but I don't know how strong it will be. But we have a good second sail, so we can just try. So?
Mm-hmm. If I get stuck here, then we can forget it.
This machine. Maybe as old as the boat, right?
Yeah, it could be.
But it's good.
Done. Let's see if it still. So we are sailing again, and Porto is here on the left side. It's been a good time here in Porto. Yeah, and some people asked us what our opinion was from the surf church, from the story of Troy from the last vlog. And yeah, we actually really liked it ourselves.
I would like to be part of such a community, I think. It's a mix of having fun together, living together, and also serving God together. And I think it's really nice. It's calm, a little bit boring.
Shall we play a game?
Yeah. I'm looking where we can anchor because we are almost at our destination. Can you see that?
Sleep well.
We hoisted the sail again and now we have to try if it's working. Doesn't look really nice, but hopefully it's strong.
Hey, don't say it doesn't look nice.
Yeah, it doesn't look beautiful, but when it's strong it's good. So we are in São Martinho do Porto, that's close to Fatima, and from here we will travel over land to Fatima, and maybe we are going to walk. It's about 60 kilometers, and yeah, we think it's nice to see what all those people are doing. That's the next video, and when there's anything you want to see more or you don't want to see anymore, let us know so we can adjust our videos to what you want to see. And liking, subscribing and sharing is always appreciated. Bye!